Ever wondered where to find your Paysend cash? It's a question that often pops up, especially for those new to the service. In this video, we'll dive deep into the various options available to pick up your Paysend funds. Paysend offers a convenient way to send and receive money globally. But once the funds reach their destination, the question arises, how do you get your hands on the cash? We'll explore different avenues, from traditional banks to convenient cash pickup locations. Traditional banks. Direct deposit. One of the most common methods is to have your Paysend funds directly deposited into your bank account. This is a straightforward option, especially if you already have a bank account in the country where the funds are being sent. Bank transfer. If you don't have a bank account in the recipient country, you can often arrange for a bank transfer to a designated bank account. However, this might involve additional fees and processing time. Cash pickup locations. Paysend partner locations. Paysend has a network of partner locations around the world where you can conveniently pick up your funds. These locations are often easily accessible, such as convenience stores, supermarkets, or post offices. Cash pickup services. Some countries offer dedicated cash pickup services that work with Paysend. These services allow you to specify a location where you want to collect your funds. ATM withdrawals. Paysend cards. If you have a Paysend card, you can withdraw your funds from ATMs. This is a convenient option for those who prefer to have cash on hand. ATM networks. Paysend often has partnerships with ATM networks, allowing you to withdraw funds from a wide range of ATMs. Mobile wallets. Digital payments. In many countries, mobile wallets are becoming increasingly popular. Paysend might offer the option to send funds directly to your mobile wallet, allowing you to use the funds for various digital payments. Cash out options. Many mobile wallets also have cash out options, where you can convert your digital funds into physical cash. Factors to consider. Fees. Different methods might involve varying fees. It's essential to compare the costs associated with each option. Convenience. Consider the location and accessibility of cash pickup points or banks. Speed. Some methods might be faster than others. If you need the funds urgently, choose a method with a quicker turnaround time. Security. Ensure that the method you choose is secure and protects your funds. Recap. We've covered several ways to pick up your Paysend funds. Whether you prefer the convenience of cash pickup locations, the security of bank deposits, or the flexibility of mobile wallets, there's an option to suit your needs. Call to action. If you're still unsure about the best method for you, check out Paysend's website or app for more information and to find the most suitable option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.